KeeperStop.com Goalkeeper glove review of the new Reusch Pure Contact 3 AX2. This is Reusch's German-engineered AX2 Hydro Grip foam palm. It's activated by water. The thermal granulates boost the grip's properties in wet conditions. You also have a Durabond technology inside that increases the abrasion resistance due to the special additives that strengthen the structure of the latex. You can feel the softness, but yet the density to the AX2 palm, which gives you that balance of grip in wet or all weather conditions, as well as increased durability as well. The AX2 latex is best in wet conditions, but can be used in dry conditions when kept damp. There is no finger protection in the Reusch Pure Contact 3 AX2, but what you have is a free flex one-piece backhand that provides a second skin-like fit and feel. You have perforated neoprene in between on the gussets, on those finger gussets, that allow for airflow and ventilation. The cut is where the Pure Contact range makes its money and differentiates itself from others. You have an Evolution negative cut. So you have negative latex gussets with roll finger tips. And what you get is a truly remarkable fit that provides a lot of latex to ball contact on all the fingers as well as the outside of the glove. And that actually pulls the material tighter, but you also have a nice custom fit in the fingers. And that's why people like the negative cut. So the Pure Contact range by Reusch, all of them have this Evolution negative cut design, and it does fit exceptional. You have the negative cut body and the roll fingertips, so you have the best of all worlds from a cut and fit perspective. And I love the asymmetrical slip-on cup because you can see it creates a better connection and more support to the hand. Everybody loves that minimalist design right now, but there is a sacrifice that is minimalism, right? Is that it's just on your hand at times and there's no support. But what I love about the Reusch Pure Contact range is I love the support and fit that asymmetrical slip-on cuff provides. I can feel that it's a part of my hand, and I feel like there's more support because you have a better connection from backhand to the forearm area because of that cuff. So I can pull it on and off, and you can see it's elasticated and it stretches like it needs to, and I can put it on as well. And again, everybody that knows my body type, weight, and everything else, you know, I have an athletic build, so I pull it on gently. I don't compromise any of this, the seams or the stitching, but I have that secure fit and feel that every goalkeeper wants. They want that tight, minimalist feel. So for those goalkeepers that require a German-made, high-level, wet weather foam, you can't look any further. You know, it's really a great fitting glove. I've seen this been used in the pros, from the Mexican leagues to the Italian leagues to the German leagues. So the Reusch Pure Contact 3 AX2 for that high school goalkeeper, that college goalkeeper in the USA to pros, it's going to provide that game level grip for male and female goalkeepers alike. It is available in sizes 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. It does fit true to size. Any goalkeeper that has questions on the AX2 foam or the fit of the Pure Contact range, make sure you contact the goalkeeper glove experts at KeeperStop.com. We are happy to help.